Hey everyone, welcome to another day of I'm not a chef but I can cook. Yes, I'm not a chef but I love cooking. So today I'll show you how I prepared my Nigeria smoky jollof rice with chef's ingredients. So we'll start by first boiling our fresh tomatoes, pepper, onions and tatashe all together. So I've already boiled and fried my turkey. And please remember to always filter your turkey or your chicken stock to remove any tiny particles. And this here you are seeing is my tomato that I boiled after blending, my tomato paste, my nutmeg. Please, this is very important, my nutmeg. And now I'll show you the chef's ingredient, the chef's secret, Benny flavored chicken powder. You need that, trust me. And that is star chicken flavor. You get star jollof seasoning and star powder seasoning. So when boiling your protein, whether it's turkey or chicken, use the seasoning instead of salt for enhanced flavor. So I'm sorry. Remember, I said I skipped that part where I was boiling the turkey. So this is still. I'm still showing you all the ingredient. The turkey is already fried. And for party jollof, I skipped parboiling the rice instead. I wash it with hot water and salt until the water runs clear. Then drain it thoroughly. So another essential ingredient is Sima's butter. You see the Simmers butter, it adds a rich and creamy texture to the dish. You can see I'm still showing you all the Benny Maggi. It's very, very important. So to start cooking, we'll heat up some oil in a pot and add finely chopped onion. So you fry them until golden brown before adding the tomato paste. Although I fried mine wasn't golden brown. Just fried mine for like few seconds. Then I added the tomato paste. And see, it's very, very crucial to fry the tomato paste until it's well cooked and has lost all its sour taste. You see, this step, in fact, most people overlooked this step, but it's very, very crucial for achieving that perfect party jollof flavor. So we'll fry until the sour taste is completely out. Because if you don't fry it till the sour taste is out, if you are eating the rice, sometimes you hear people complain, oh, the rice has it has sour taste, it has this, it has that. After that, I'll add in my bay leaves. So this is the best time to add in your bay leaves. Add my nutmeg. I'll add my thyme and curry powder to the frying tomato paste mixture. See, you can choose not to add your thyme and curry. I don't do it most time, but I just wanted to do this so, to make sure I don't leave out anything. That's why I decided to add thyme and curry powder to the frying tomato paste, because usually I boil my chicken stock with all these things. My protein. I boil my protein with all these ingredients, so I don't bother adding thyme and curry to when making my jollof base. So all these spices add flavor to the dish. I'll say it again. Remember not to overdo the thyme and curry if you've already used them to boil your turkey or your chicken, anyone. But just make sure you are not adding too much. So now it's time to add my blended tomato mix to the fried paste. So when adding the tomato mix to the fried paste, ensure everything is well combined. Just make sure everything is well combined as you're adding the blended tomato mix to the fried paste. You need to make sure everything is well combined, because this forms the flavorful base of your jollof rice. So you have to make sure everything is well combined. You taste, because if you want your jollof rice to come out well the way you want, this is the foundation. It's just like when you're building a house. You have to lay the foundation properly. So to achieve the perfect party jollof rice, the tomato, the paste, the mixture, everything needs to be well combined. So you adjust the seasoning with salt, Maggi cubes, and the 3-star ingredients I showed earlier, which is the the star chicken flavor, the star jollof seasoning, and star powder seasoning. So you still add your Benny Maggi. Remember I said that is the chef's ingredient. So after adding all these things, you taste and adjust until you achieve the desired flavor profile. So I tested mine and it wasn't good enough. Please be careful with salt. I didn't boil my protein with salt. So I'll just add to the stew, the jollof base, so that everything will go well. And one more important thing, I didn't show you crayfish earlier, right? I did not show you crayfish, Abby. So please do not add crayfish to your jollof rice. Trust me, you don't need it for this recipe. I'm begging. Now I'll add the washed rice to the pot. So I'll add everything properly, then I'll gently mix it into the stew base. Then I'll pour in the filtered chicken stock. So after that, I'll mix everything together. I'll just mix it to make sure everything sits properly and the ingredients is well distributed. Then I'll use a foil paper, and take note, don't add too much water, please. Remember, I did not even parboil this rice. I just washed this rice with salt and hot water. So this is the trick. If you want to cook 10 cups of rice and you want smoky jollof rice, you have to measure 11 cups, because the down part has to be very, very burnt to get that smoky flavor. So I'm using 11 cups of rice. I'll use the foil paper to cover the pot tightly and cook over low heat. So this method allows the rice to absorb the flavors and develop that signature smoky aroma. It's time to check on my rice, and please, you have to be very cautious of this thing trapped inside the pot. Please, you have to be cautious so you won't get burnt. So I'll use a wooden spatula to gently lift the rice. Just lift and flip so that the upper part will go to the bottom part of the pot. So after that, I'll add my sliced onions and Siemens butter to enhance the flavor further. Then I'll cover the pot again with foil and allow the rice to steam until fully cooked and infused with all the delicious flavor. And there you have it, perfect smoky jollof rice ready to be enjoyed with fried plantain, coleslaw, or any side dish of your choice. So let me know if you're going to try this in the comment below. Make sure you subscribe for more recipes like this, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.